This is the Asia set, an elegant and comfortable outfit you can easily sew yourself, relaxed, feminine, and effortlessly chic. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create the BALI Kimono Jacket with soft neckline ruffles, delicate shoulder pleats, and feminine puff sleeves. And we'll complete the look with the relaxed wide SEOUL pants with an elastic waist. Let's sew this beautiful set step by step. Step 1. Cutting the pattern pieces. Prepare the fabric for cutting. At minimum, press it well. If you are using natural fabrics such as cotton, linen, or viscose, wash the fabric before pressing and cutting to prevent shrinkage. Use the jacket length and short sleeve pattern version. When transferring pattern pieces to the fabric, make sure to mark all marks and fold lines. Step 2. Front folds. Form the folds on the front starting from the shoulder, following the pattern lines. Stitch the folds on the sewing machine. Press the finished folds from the wrong side, directing them toward the sleeve. Step 3. Shoulder seams. Place the front and back pieces right sides together, aligning the shoulder seams. Sew along the shoulder line. Finish the seam using an overlocker or a zigzag stitch. Press the seam toward the back. Step 4. Attaching the sleeves. Place the sleeve pieces and the joined back plus front right sides together, matching all marks. Stitch on the sewing machine. Finish the seams with an overlocker or a zigzag stitch. Press the seams toward the sleeves. Step 5. Sleeve decoration with decorative strip. To decorate the sleeve cuff with a decorative strip, prepare a strip of contrasting fabric 5 centimeters wide and the same length as the jacket sleeve width. Fold the decorative strip in half lengthwise with the wrong sides together and press. Pin the raw edge of the decorative strip to the right side of one of the unfinished sleeve edges and stitch close to the edge. Step 6. Side seams. Fold the jacket right sides together, aligning side seams and marks. Sew the side seams from the sleeve edge down to the jacket hem. Finish the seams with an overlocker or zigzag stitch. Press the seams toward the back. Step 7. Finishing the sleeve hem with a cuff. Prepare a cuff strip 5 centimeters wide and the same length as the jacket sleeve width. Fold the cuff in half lengthwise with the wrong sides together and press. Join the short ends of the cuff to form a ring, stitching them together and leaving a 1 centimeters opening for inserting the elastic. Fold the cuff in half again with the wrong sides together. Stitch the cuff to the sleeve edge, making sure the opening remains on the wrong side of the jacket. Finish the seam with an overlocker or a zigzag stitch. Press the cuff. Measure the required length of 1 centimeter wide elastic. We used the following formula: upper arm circumference plus 2 centimeters ease plus 2 centimeters seam allowance. Insert the elastic through the opening, leaving the ends outside. Stitch the elastic ends together and distribute the elastic evenly inside the cuff. Top stitch the cuff with the elastic along its center line. Press the cuff thoroughly. Step 8. Hemming. Fold the jacket, hem 1 centimeter twice toward the wrong side and press. Top stitch the pressed hem and press again. Step 9. Neckline finish. Prepare the neck binding 7 centimeters wide. Fold the neck binding in half lengthwise with the wrong sides together and press. Transfer all marks from the pattern and mark the quarter points on the neck binding. Fold the short ends right sides together and stitch 1 centimeter from the edge. For the decorative ruffle, prepare a strip of contrasting fabric 5 centimeters wide and 1.5x the length of the neck binding. Fold the decorative strip in half lengthwise with the wrong sides together and press. Mark the quarter points on this strip. Fold the short ends right sides together and stitch 1 centimeter from the edge. Place the raw edge of the decorative strip onto the right side of one unfinished edge of the neck binding. Match the quarter points, create even gathers, and stitch them together. Place the neck binding with the decorative ruffle onto the right side of the neckline, ensuring that the ruffle remains on the right side of the jacket, and stitch them together. Finish the seam with an overlocker or zigzag stitch. Top stitch the neck binding 1-2 millimeters from the seam. Press the seam and the neck binding. Step 10. Button and buttonhole. Use the chest mark on the pattern to determine the position of the button and the buttonhole. We made the buttonhole through 2 layers of the ruffle and the neck binding, which was not the best solution. Next time, we recommend placing the buttonhole on the neck binding under the ruffle. Step 11. Sewing the pants. Fold the fabric right sides together. Cut out the pants pieces. Pin and stitch the crotch seams. Finish the seams with an overlock stitch or a zigzag stitch on a sewing machine. Press the seams. Fold the pants hem 1 centimeter twice toward the wrong side, press, and secure with pins. Place the pants right sides together, pin and stitch the inseams. Finish the seams with an overlock stitch or a zigzag stitch. Press the seams. Top stitch the folded hem. Cut a piece of elastic equal to your waist measurement plus 2 centimeters for seam allowance. Stitch the short ends of the elastic together to form a loop. Place the elastic along the top edge of the pants on the right side, matching the quarter marks. Stitch the elastic to the pants close to the top edge, evenly distributing the elastic between the quarter marks. Fold the elastic to the inside twice, encasing it with the fabric of the pants. Top stitch along the lower edge of the elastic to secure it in place. Sew a label or a decorative tie at the center front to easily identify the front of the pants. Press the waistband and hems thoroughly. And here is the finished Asia set. A soft and feminine BALI Kimono Jacket paired with the relaxed wide SEOUL pants. An effortless outfit you can sew and enjoy wearing again and again. Thank you for sewing with us.